What's going on, guys? My name's Gerard. Today we're going to learn how to half cab rock to fakie. Before you learn this trick, you're going to want to know how to rock to fakie and backside kick turn. Half cab rock to fakie is a really cool trick because it's one of the first tricks that you learn that's kind of like a combination trick. You're putting together kick turn and rock to fakie. You're just coming up fakie to start. So how the trick works, you're gonna roll up fakie, do a backside kick turn into a rock, and then from there, you're gonna come back in just like a rock to fakie. When you do the spin, and this is why you wanna be comfortable with rock to fakies, what's gonna happen is your wheels on the deck, a lot of the times, are actually gonna stop your rotation. So being comfortable with that rock to fakie motion is really important to getting this trick down quickly. Foot position for this trick, I actually like to hang my toe off the tail a little bit. I do keep my front foot on the bolts, just like rock to fakie. Having your toe over the tail gives you a little room to kind of grab the edge of the board just to help you get that rotation around. Just like kick turn, the rotation in this trick is all in the shoulders. As you're coming up the ramp, start to turn your shoulders, so that way when you start to pivot, the board's gonna come all the way around. When you're first learning this trick, if you're not comfortable doing the 180 rotation fakie, practice it lower on the ramp. Ride up just a little bit, come back fakie, and just practice turning around over and over. It's gonna be the same motion when you get higher up on the ramp, so if you're comfortable doing it on the flat bottom, you're gonna be able to do it when you get higher up. After you get your board on the coping, it's just like rock to fakie. Lean on your tail and ride back in. Some of the things that can go wrong with this trick, I'll see people push too hard on their tail when they rotate and their tail kind of skids down across the ramp, and so they slide out from their board. You don't have to put a ton of pressure on your tail to lift up your nose, so just remember that. You want to stay light-footed, put a little pressure on the tail, and then turn your shoulders to make sure you spin all the way around. Obviously, the other thing that can go wrong is if you don't turn your shoulders enough, just like we talked about with kick turns, your feet are gonna follow where your shoulders go. And so if you turn your shoulders all the way around, your board's gonna follow you. Half cab rock is still one of my favorite tricks, and I do it all the time. It really opens up the lines on my mini ramp because no longer are you just doing tail stalls when you go up fakie. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Let me know what trick you wanna learn next or what trick you wanna see me learn next. And if you learn a new trick, send a video my way. You might find yourself at the end of the next video. Till then, see you guys next time. Today we're going to learn how to half cab rock to fakie. Half cab rock to fakie. Half cab rock to fakie.